Do you feel the vibes?
Hello everyone, this is Chinmay from Makeover Clinic. Welcome back to our show. It's almost 10:30 and we are still in the workshop. We are working on one of the bike. As you know that a big kind of a serial or the episode things are going on the channel. I'm working on in this engine assembly, dismantling and assembling of this UC engine. But meanwhile, I wanted to share something which I am posting this right now because one of the concern video I have already posted on the YouTube. It's regarding the cleaning of packing. You must have seen one of the video in which I have used scrubbing wheel, round wheel, kind of a purple color and yellow color, which was based on pneumatic. So in that case, I told you that this is only for the packing. So just in case if you are using sealant or something or kind of a paste or something or the cement, or many people use this grey color kind of a sticking adhesive for sealing purpose. How to remove that? It's very tricky when you are trying to remove it. Some people use scraper or something or a kind of a blade which has got a fine edge or something like that. But guys, now don't use that. It's not recommended basically. Though it's a conventional way to remove the sealant, but it's very worst and bad thing, bad procedure, because what happens when you are scratching that sealant, the milling surface which is done under the milling machine gets damaged very fast and then the leakage starts. So okay, cut the crap. Let's directly come to the main point. How do we do this? So guys, as I mentioned some time back, this is the sealant. If you use the scraper or something, then this will come off, but the problem is what, it will scratch. Now for that I'll be using this cloth, cotton cloth, and most important thing that I'm going to use this product to clean this surface, which is very easy. Okay, so I'm just going to spray this chemical on the surface wherever there is a thin layer of that sealant. Just wipe out the oil. Okay. Now if you look at the surface, then the adhesive is melting down slowly, and now no need to use scraper in this case. It is just see, it's quite clean. What happens basically, it dissolves the material. So you just have to these edges are very dangerous, so just wipe out and it will come very easily. See, the milling surface which was done by the company or the machining is as it is intact. There is no mark or dent or scratch, which happens generally because of the blade and the sharp tools what we use. This is how you have to clean the crankcase or the parts which are packed with the help of special adhesive or cement. Thanks for watching and have a great day.